We're here at the photography show at the NEC in Birmingham, and I thought it would be interesting for you Fuji geeks to take a look at Fujifilm's epic stand. And I don't know what we're going to see or what I'm going to show you, but let's have a quick look. You never know, someone out there might want to see this. So what's all this?
So it's the Kinefinity Terra 4K. It is a Chinese-based camera. It's kind of a red concept.
Oh yeah.
So in terms of its format, its size format, it's small, it's compact. It will shoot 100 frames a second, 4K, up to 240 frames a second HD and 2K wide. So it's quite
it's pretty awesome
for what it is.
I mean, to be honest, I was just looking at the Fuji lens. This isn't one of the two new Cine lenses, is it?
It is, yeah. So it's they've got the 18-55 and the 50-135 in the MK range. They're both at T2.9. They're
nice. And it's geared up on that side, yeah.
It's geared. Yeah. An infinity mount also has HDMI as well. You can buy an additional side grip. So if you didn't want to buy the back to attach V-locks, you can buy a side grip which takes Sony BPU batteries. So it's keeping that small form factor and adding additional accessories onto the back. It takes a BPU 60 batteries which lasts for around about 2 to 2.5 hours. So it's quite a good run time. It's a very low power draw.
Might be a bit excessive for my YouTube channel.
Probably a little bit excessive for you.
Although there is a guy from the States and he uses some kind of red 8K setup.
There's some crazy
kind of wild
YouTubers out there that shoot with some incredible cameras.
When are these on retail? July. And what are the prices going to be like?
I don't know. Probably about 3.5. What do you think?
The same on each?
Sony mounts for 3.5 and 4.
Yeah.
3.5 and 4. Very nice.
X-H1. Brand new camera.
If you could have any one of these, which would you have? You can choose a lens and a camera. Let us know in the comments below. Any lens, any camera from this display. You might have to pause and put it on the big screen. That was a Fujifilm stand. Hopefully that was of some interest to you. Let us know if you'll be attending any shows soon. Say hi if you get a chance. Take it easy. Thanks for watching, and there'll be more interesting stuff coming up very soon.